why it's super important to come into a showroom is you have the ability to select from a wide range. Right in front of me, you can create your own mood board in store.
You certainly can. So great features like this display board here. You can get your baseline of tiles and then bring in your feature tiles. You can work in color palettes or your special touches. You can do that right in store.
The great thing about Johnson Tiles is your ranges are grouped together, which makes your selection process easier by looking in drawers or on the mood board in the stands. Another great thing also too, you can take home tile cards, which the benefits of taking home a tile card, you can see the tiles in your own space.
Now, being in store has its benefits, obviously seeing colours and feeling textures and whatnot, but it also gives you the benefit of being able to see how those tile patterns and those grout lines work together. Very extensive. You're not going to be able to do this stuff at home, but you can see it in store, you can see how it works, and make sure you chat with the friendly staff to make sure you get it sorted properly.
Make sure you head into Johnson Tile showroom or browse their selection online
to check out their extensive range of fantastic tiles.